all the INNOVATORSGATE. So just to introduce myself, I'm the co-founder of a green neobank called Green Guts in Europe. And I've been building that for now 2 years because I'm convinced that the future of banking has to be part and linked deeply with the future of our planet. Right now, the banking industry has this amazing power with the finance industry because it's linked, of course, that it manages the money. And right now, where the money, you know, in French, we have an expression saying that the money makes you win a war. And right now, we have a big fight. We have a big things to manage as the humanity kind, is that we need to fight climate change. And right now, there are enough money in our economy, but the last IPCC report said that it's lacking a lot of money to manage the transition and to build the transition. And to me, banking sector has this amazing power right now to enable a transition and to enable to change climate change, or at least to manage the evolution and to enable the transition. So to me, the banking sector has to be green or will not be anymore, because if there is a climate change, if there is +2, +4 degrees, then there will be no more companies, or not how we see it right now, and the capitalism economy will be really challenged. So if the banking industry wants to have a future, it has to be in the green economy, and it has to take into account more than just rentability. You know, it has to take also into account the extra financial impact and outputs, like how much an investment will emit in CO2, how much this investment will waste water and stuff like that. And so the banking industry is really at a crossroad right now, because it has to evolve with its time, and it has to understand that not only rentability, not only money matters, but also the environment, because we take all the environment as something that will always be there. There will be always fresh air, there will be always nice trees in the forest to make stuff. Whereas it is not something that will be and still be here if there is a climate change as it planned to be. So the banking industry has to take into account the green economy, and it can also be a huge opportunity for the banking industry. We can see it with the DeFi, we can see it also into the traditional banks, how it can renew themselves and how they can embrace that challenge and also take the best of it. So this is what we do with Green God. Of course, we will focus on green investments, and this is also what will be and what we'll have to do all the other banks. This is how I see the future of banking. And if you have any question or anything, please tell me.